If you're over 40 and wondering if you miss your chance, this message could change the rest of your life. Too many people believe life slowed down after 40. I believe the opposite. Your greatest years may not be behind you. They may be waiting for the moment you decide to stop doubting yourself. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about helping people over 40 reinvent their life. One habit, one lesson, one decision at a time. Let's talk about it. If you're watching this today, I want you to know something. You're not too old, you're not too late, and you're definitely not finished. I don't care if you're 42, 48, 55, 60, or even older. As long as you're breathing, there's still another chapter waiting to write. The problem is this: most people over 40 don't stop because they are incapable. They stop because they convince themselves that time has run out. They compare themselves to people who start younger. They compare themselves to social media. They compare themselves to everyone except the person they were yesterday. And that is why comparison slowly steals their confidence. But here's what I learned. Life doesn't reward the youngest person. Life rewards the person who keeps showing up every single day. Maybe you work a job that never appreciates you. Maybe you waste too much years worrying about what everyone else thinks. You're not alone. Almost everyone over 40 has a story they wish they could rewrite. But here's the good news. You don't have to rewrite your past. You only have to rewrite your future. Here's something I want you to remember. The tree you wanted 5 years ago, you should have planted. But if you didn't plant it, the second best time is today. Don't spend another 5 years wishing you had started today. Because 5 years from now, you'll either be grateful you start, or you'll regret waiting again. A lot of people don't realize this. Success after 40 looks different. It's not about proving people wrong. It's about proving yourself right. It's about waking up with peace, taking care of your health, managing your money wisely, building stronger relationships, find purpose, and becoming someone you're proud to look at in the mirror. That's real success. Here's another truth. Fear never disappears. You simply become stronger than your fear. Every successful person you have admired start scared, start uncertain, start without having all the answers. The difference is, they start anyway. They still start. Don't wait until you feel ready, because you probably never feel completely ready. Action creates confidence. Waiting creates doubt. Some of you watching this right now have dreams you buried. Maybe you want to start a business, write a book, travel out, lose weight, start a YouTube channel, learn a new skill, go back to school. But somewhere along the way, life happened. Bills happen. Responsibilities happen. And little by little, you convince yourself your dream expired. It didn't. It's been waiting on you. Here's the deal. One decision can change everything. One workout, one healthy meal, one phone call, one application, one video, one book to read, one habit. Now, here's another truth. One choice repeated every day become a completely different life. Never underestimate the power of one small decision. Remember this, you don't have to move fast, you just have to keep moving. Slow progress still beat standing still. Some people are sprinting towards burnout. I would rather to see you walk consistently towards your purpose. Because consistency beats intensity every single time. How about stop asking, what if I fail? Instead, I want you to start asking, what if this work? What if this decision change your family future? What if next year you're healthier? What if you're happier? What if your confidence return? What if the best year are still ahead? You'll never know if you never start. But looking back, I can clearly see why. The older I get, the more I realize happiness is not found in having everything. It's found in appreciating what you have while working towards what you want. Here's something age teaches us all. Gratitude changes your perspective. Hope changes your future. Action changes your life. Listen, don't let your age become your excuse. Let it become your advantage. You have survived things younger people haven't experienced yet. You learn lessons they haven't learned. You overcome heartbreaks, disappointment, loss, and failure. But you have become stronger than you realize. Your experience has value. Use it. One day you look back at this season, you'll either say, I'm glad I took the first step, or I wish I had started. Choose the first story. I believe there are people watching this who are one decision away from changing their life. Not because life suddenly become easy, but because they finally decide they are worth fighting for. You are worth the effort. Your family needs your example. The world needs your experience. And your future needs today's decision. If this message encouraged you today, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone over 40 who need this reminder. And remember this, every morning you wake up, you're not behind, you're not finished. Your next chapter starts the moment you decide it does. If you find value in this video, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment, ring the bell, so when I post another video like this, you'll definitely be the first person to be notified. If you enjoyed this video, watch the next video right over here. You can't miss it. You can't miss a minute of this next video. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.